So here we place the fiber in the machine and lock it down, and here's an example of how we take the isolation of the fiber. We seem to have some problems there, but you will see it come out. Okay, here you go, you saw the white bit out. Now we clean the fiber. It's pretty strong, so don't be impressed by the tool we used. Here's an example of how we cut the fiber. Precision cuts, not all the time, but most of the time. And we place it in the other buck. We call it buck. Okay, the machine will close once it feels the fiber, and then you have the image of the two fiber lining up. You'll move and line them up on the Y axis, and you'll see a bright light, and the weld is done. Okay, now the machine will open, and you will be able to put the plastic protector on, and also the machine will heat up on the shrink tube. Here's the cutter, precision cutter, CT30 from Fujikura, the same company that does the machine welding. It's pretty expensive machinery just to cut high precision. Okay, that's the model and the serial number. Probably useful information, useless information. Here we put the protective cover, preparing it for the oven. And putting it over the weld, actual weld, and open up the oven, pop in the protector, lining it up. This will take about 5 seconds. Maybe more, and then we'll put it at the cooling area, and basically that's a weld. We'll do it one more time, and after that let the testing begin. Okay, here's another weld on another fiber. It's basically taking the protector out. We need a little bit more than that, so that will be like, I don't know, 2-3 centimeters. So that's a good start, because you still need to cut it. So yeah, sometimes when the patch, this was the patch, when the patch is old, the protector tends to stick to the fiber, so it's more complicated to take that off. So the process again, we lock in, that's the patch, lining it up, and then secure it in place, and then the fiber, the long bit basically. Again 3 centimeters, and a clean cut. Just a matter of securing it in place and pushing down. the cutter. Secure the other side and let the machine do the rest. I love when it shows the X and Y axis, lining it up and welding it. That's fantastic. You have to look for the line in the middle and the loss, basically, which is an orientation of how well the weld performed, but we still need to do testing afterwards. And then basically we repeat the process. We put it in the oven and then into the cooling area. Yeah. So yeah, that's the Fujikura process of welding. Hope you enjoy. Bye.